So yeah, man, I'm in Liverpool. You hear?
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here.
You hear this shit? You hear that? The
Please
plane
hold
up.
on to pushchairs, wheelchairs, and your belongings.
Hold on to push your wheelchair and your belongings. This shit will take everything that you've got with it. Bro, this shit is mad. Holy shit. Holy crap on a cracker. Bro, if this see you, you're not even going to see Jesus. If this hits you, you're not even going to see Jesus. Mother, father, sister, brother. Oh my days. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. It's still going. Oh shit. Shit. Oh my god. Bro, did you just hear that? Bro, I would bring a packed lunch every day and come down here to watch this shit. Listen, next time I'm in Liverpool, I'm bringing a little tent. I'm bringing some sandwiches. I'm bringing a little chair. I'm bringing a little umbrella just in case it rains. Bro, I'm coming down here to watch this shit. Believe me. Fuck driving up and down. This shit get me excited, bro. This shit sends a man blood pressure high. Sends everything that I've got high. Holy shit. That was amazing. Then one next one soon come, you know. Bro, I'm not even rushed to go collect this car. I'm gonna sit here and watch a couple trains go by. You get me? Swear down. Yes, so people, all my life, I swear, I need to go and pick up a next ride, but I'm gonna sit here for the next 45 to 55 minutes, and I'm going to sit here and watch these trains go by. These trains going by give me a hard on. My woman don't even give me a hard on, but these trains give me a hard on. I swear to God. Wait a minute. I hope the next one comes soon. It says, hold on to any pushchair. It says, hold on to any pushchair. Hold on to any babies. Hold on to any luggage. Did you see it? Did you bloody just see it? It'll take you with you. And if that shit hits you, as I says, you ain't gonna see Jesus. If you're going to hell, you ain't gonna see Satan. Because when that shit hits you, there's nothing left to transfer to hell. There's nothing left to transfer to heaven. You understand? You end up like mashed potato on the track. They can't even get a little. They probably need tweezers. You know the tweezers that you use to pick the ear out your face, the tweezers, and pick the ear out your nose. That shit is what they have to use to get you off this track when that shit hits you. You know what I mean? But when the next one come, I'm excited to show you, boy. I'm not gonna hold on now till the next one comes, but you know, I shall look out for it. And if it comes, then you shall see it. Shabadinaya, make sure you subscribe. Here we go. Apparently, it says hold on to chairs, hold on to your push chairs. There's a next one coming from somewhere. Let me organize myself because I have to hold on to a post. I have to hold on to something. Let's see which direction it's coming from. Because if you miss it, if you quint, if you blink, you're gonna miss this shit. Right? Let me see if this one is one of the express ones. Mate, all I'm doing today is train spotting. I'm not even going to work. I should go to work, and I'm not going to work now. I've canceled the next job. I am going to sit here for the rest of the evening and watch these trains go by. The trains go by so fast that I can't even get the number on the front of the train. Where is it? Where is it? Come on. It's like my missus is telling me, oh, I'm coming. I says, come on then, you know, and I can't see, and she's not coming, you know. She's telling me she's coming, and I'm bracing myself. I'm slowing down. I'm going fast at the same time, and she's telling me to hold on. She's coming. Don't bust a nut. Do not, under no circumstance, bust a nut until I come. So now, this is what's happening with this train. This train, the woman on the microphone has got me excited. And now I'm looking east, west, north, south to see which direction it's coming from. I'm bracing myself. I'm planning to hold on to this lamppost here. Oh la la. I hear it that it's down there. It's down there. It's one of the express ones. This is where I'm in. Winford, Liverpool. Right? There it is down there. The little beauty. Okay. Holy shit. Listen. Watch this. Holy shit, he says, get out, get too close away from the line. Get away from the line. What the father, sister, brother, uncle. Oh, shit. Oh, my Willie. Oh, my sweet Willie. Oh, oi, 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 oi. Hey, I'm still shaking. My legs. Shit. Shit. Oh, my fucking legs are weak. Holy shit. Oh, please subscribe. Please give me a follow. Please. This is the shit that I'll be doing from now on. Train spotting. I'm going to just travel and do train spotting. Oh my god. Holy smokes. Holy shit, I need to lie down. I need to lie down or sit down. Oh. Oh. Anymore? No? Holy crap. There's an next one coming. There's a next one coming. This is the next bullet one as well. This one is the next bullet. Watch this one. Watch this now. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Shit. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. I don't know if anybody don't enjoy this shit like how I enjoy this shit. This is amazing. Oh my god. Please give us a follow, give us a subscribe. Oh man, amazing.